Introducing PowerCloud, the world's first USB power strip with PD 65-watt flash charging technology. PowerCloud will charge your device in lightning speed. Nah, you don't need this. Try the Type-C plug-in in the front. PowerCloud will be your power adapter when you go out with your MacBook. Now you can have all your cable organized in one power strip. Have a PowerClouds in your home and office. And thanks to the design, PowerCloud takes more devices than you expected. PowerCloud is fine-looking and stylish. It suits anywhere of your place. It has all the best ports you can get: AC outlet for your lamp, a PD 45 watts USB-C port, and the PD 65 watts USB-C port, a QC 18 watt USB-A port, and more AC outlets to provide all your needs.
Wearable gesture controller. Pero. Pero offers new improvements to all your digital devices. All devices will become easier and more enjoyable. Take control the way you want. Be more productive. Pero works seamlessly. Touch the side button. Turn your wrist to move the cursor. Tap the button to click. Touch the palm panel to right-click. Or you can use it for its gesture functions. Pero's gestures interacts with all of your devices. Straight, rotationally, and even circular. Even more complex movements. Pero software learns your natural gestures and patterns, so you can easily customize it yourself. Pero's band will always hug gently, yet firmly around your hand, thanks to the use of integral silicon. Simplify your desk with Pero. Desks are now optional. Up your workflow game, anywhere, anytime.
Introducing the Epson Workforce WF110 wireless mobile printer, ideal for easy, on-the-go printing. It gives you the ultimate in portability with its lightweight and compact design for easy transportation in your bag or briefcase. The Workforce 110 has a built-in battery that is fully rechargeable via USB and AC adapter. And when paired with the optional external accessory battery, you can print at an even greater volume. With built-in wireless connectivity and Wi-Fi Direct, you can quickly print from your iPad, iPhone, tablet, smartphone, or laptop. Print professional quality business documents and borderless 4x6 photos to run your business at full speed. The Workforce WF110 is the full printing solution for an efficient workspace combining multiple features in a fast, light, and portable printer.
Meet MagEasy, the world's first everyday essentials carrying and organizing kit. With the board, the folio, and the magnetic modules, MagEasy helps you easily organize, rearrange, and transport most used items. The board, it's a desktop organizer. You can put note, scissors, earphones, keys, pencil, even a phone into a vertical display. Keep your desktop neat and organized, and still have quick access to your stuff. The board can be folded up like a paper and easily stored in any drawer. The folio. It's a transportation organizer. To simplify your daily out-the-door routine, store all your everyday necessities, drafts, passport, wallet, Metro card on the go. And you can slip it into the bag for an orderly and safe transition. The best part? All the magnetic modules can be used separately. As a cable tie, a business card case, a fridge magnet, and more. MagEasy helps you stay organized, productive, and achieve more in life.
Wynd is the world's first personal air quality system that generates fresh and clean air, that's portable, and is simple to use. Its built-in sensor monitors the air quality around Lily and adjusts its power to filter more or less. Wynd works by creating a bubble of healthy air around it. Dirty air is drawn in by vents, pulled through a medical-grade air filter, and clean air is propelled out of the top. Wynd can filter things like allergens, dust, pet dander, smoke, pretty much anything. The Wynd app allows Lily to check the quality of the air around her, gain insight about the air she's filtered. And the air quality tracker can even detach to keep Lily aware of the air she's breathing while she's on the go.